Welcome to Tech Wonderland, where innovation knows no bounds and imagination takes flight. In today's adventure, we embark on a journey through 33 mind-blowing gadgets that promise to amaze and inspire. Presenting the Uplift Under-Desk Hammock. For all the workaholics out there, here's your ticket to a quick recharge. This innovative hammock attaches to your desk frame with ease, providing a cozy spot for a short rest. Turn your smartphone into a car key. Say goodbye to traditional car keys with this innovative gadget. Paired with a mobile app, it transforms your smartphone into a smart car key. Discover the Pure Port Multi-Tool Kit. Keep your iPhone or iPad charging port clean and functional with this innovative tool. Featuring a variety of cleaning tools and repair options, it ensures your devices stay in top condition. Experience Van der Waals. Immerse yourself in the mesmerizing world of music visualization with this unique speaker, filled with ferrofluid and illuminated by LED lights. Discover a new perspective with Inmo Air Glasses. Augment your reality with advanced features and seamless integration. Revolutionize your perspective with Inmo Air Glasses, blending digital information seamlessly with reality. Boasting a powerful processor, HD camera, and gesture control,